Also tonight, a high-profile shooting case heads to the courtroom.
Now, this crime shook a popular event in Virginia Beach around the middle of last year, and some snags in getting the trial started for Markel Cook, who's charged with that double shooting at the Mount Trashmore carnival. When video was shown this morning of the 15-year-old girl getting killed, a family member wailed, "My baby." As 10 on your side's Chris Horn is about to tell us, the emotions spilled out beyond the courtroom.
First, it was frustration on both sides that the trial wasn't going to happen today. But then it was anger, screaming and yelling out here on the sidewalk and in the parking lots as the two families, the defendants and the victims, clashed after this morning's hearing. Family of defendant Markel Cook clashed with family of victim Jayani Upshur outside the trial that didn't even happen. Family member restraining family member, and then several deputies streaming in to restrain everyone.
I mean, they've waited for this day now since May of 24, so a year and a half. He's been in jail, and it's very, very unfortunate. So we just hope to get a date as quickly as we possibly can for everybody to resolve this.
A cascading ladder of cause and effect stopped the trial in its tracks. You can't have a trial without a jury. You can't pick a jury without enough jurors. And enough jurors won't show up if they don't know they have jury duty. Beach courts have a new notification system that failed to work the way it should. Defense attorney Mario Lorello says it also happened earlier this month. The jury administrator says the problem has been solved and it won't happen again. Markel Cook was 18 in May 2024, the night 15-year-old Jayani Upshur was shot dead. Upshur was a bystander when Cook and several others clashed outside the Mount Trashmore carnival. Cook is charged with second-degree murder in Upshur's death.
There's other issues in the case too. Mr. Cook was shot, so there's another shooter that's involved. And so I think there's a serious question about who the individual was that's responsible for the unfortunate and tragic death of this young lady.
Was there ever any charges against that other individual who shot your client?
No, they've never been able to identify him.
The attorneys will meet here at the courthouse again next week to figure out when the date for the trial will happen, likely not until after the beginning of the new year. We're outside the courthouse in Virginia Beach. Chris Horn, 10 on your side.
And you can see all of our previous coverage of this story right now on wavy.com.